Hey, welcome back to another episode of Todd Talks. This month, our product of the month, we're going to be talking about roller chain sprockets. We're getting ready to have an expansion into standard roller chain sprockets, but now we can talk a little bit more about our capabilities on the custom side of it as well. Here we've got a custom A-plate sprocket with a large bore. And you can see on this one, this is kind of a duplex where we got a double sprocket on one end and a single one on the other end. We got some bearings. They're going to be pressed in here as well. So we've got a lot of things for you to see on our capabilities at B&B. So another example of a sprocket here, it's a double 60. It's going to be bored for a taper lock bushing. So we've got some other processes that we need to do. We're deburring it right now. Then we're going to take it over to black oxide, get it ready to pack, and ship out the door for our customer. At B&B, not only can we make the sprocket for you, whether it's standard or it's custom, but we can heat treat the teeth for you on our induction heat treatment equipment. So the coils heat up the teeth, then they quench it, and it's made to the spec of what you need to have. Here's an example of a larger sprocket. It's going to be a double row. We still need to cut the teeth in this. We've got the chamfers on the chain rows. We've bored it out. We've keyed it. So we're going to go hob it and put the teeth into it. But another example of a large diameter product that we can make for you from B&B. So as we wrap up the product of the month for roller chain sprockets, keep in mind that B&B can do your custom-made order sprockets. We can do your standard sprockets. On custom, we can cut up to 160 pitch today. On the standard sprockets, what we do well is we do stainless steel, 25 through 80, single strand, B-style, 303, 304. We could pull it off the shelf, but we can rebore for you. But stay tuned, because later this year, we're going to have a full-blown offering into carbon steel roller chain sprockets. B&B, we are your drive solutions experts, not only on synchronous, belted, but chain and sprockets. Got you covered.